On this video, I will show you how you can create a new store on the same dropmagic account. So here I'm currently on a product page that I have created with dropmagic. And what I want is create a new website on this product. Okay, so I will copy the link and I will go back on dropmagic, and then I will click on the three dots just here on the left of your screen. And this is where you will have all the store that you have created. And this is also where you will have the possibility to create a new shop. So I will click on this button just here. Then I will just paste the link that I have copied just before. And then it will be the classic process when the same one I had when I create the first store. So I will check the score of the product, and then I will choose the images. I will check everything, and I will show you the result then. Okay, so I've chosen my image, and now I will click on go to my store. So the shop will be created in a second. Okay, perfect. And then if I just click again on dots, I will see that my store has been added to all the store that I had. So it is actually how you can create a new store on the same dropmagic account.